products of Jinan Hydeb Thermotech Company Limited. Meaning covers flux injection refining unit for furnace, box type degassing unit, launder type degassing unit, and filtration box, and they are widely used in aluminum smelting and casting. Flux injection refining system for furnace injects the flux into the molten aluminum with high purity inert gas as a carrier. The combined action of inert gas and flux brings alkali metals, impurities, hydrogen adsorption and flotation to the surface of molten aluminum, and finally separates from liquid aluminum for the purpose of refining. The refining system for furnace has strong agitation ability, which makes the temperature and composition of molten aluminum in all parts of the furnace uniform in a short time and improve its quality. Box-type inline degassing unit is installed between the melting furnace and the filtration box. Under the action of a rotating rotor, inert gas forms a large number of dispersed bubbles and enters the molten aluminum. They absorb together with hydrogen and oxide slag in the flux and float on the surface of molten aluminum, forming scum. The molten aluminum flows out from the outlet of degassing unit, thus achieving the purpose of continuous inline refining. The degassing efficiency of box-type inline degassing unit can reach more than 60%. Mixed with chlorine refining, the unit can reduce the content of alkali metals in the flux to less than 2 ppm after refining. Molten aluminum transfer launder has no infiltration with the molten aluminum with low thermal conductivity and high strength. The heat loss can be reduced by more than 50% by adding the cover of the distributor, and also adding the heating device of the distributor can keep the temperature drop of the molten aluminum to a minimum, thus reducing its temperature when it comes out the furnace. The molten aluminum filtration box can effectively filter out large inclusions in molten aluminum, absorb small ones in it, refine the crystalline structure of castings, and reduce its hydrogen content. High-quality molten aluminum flows into the casting machine to complete the ingot casting. Different combinations of products can meet the individual needs of different products and customers. Injection refining unit is a kind of portable powder injecting equipment with low cost, easy operation and maintenance. It can remove hydrogen, alkali and slag from molten aluminum in the furnace. Launder-type degassing unit is installed between the melting furnace and the casting machine, without the need of heating and with less liquid aluminum residue. A baffle is installed on it to divide the degassing area into several stages and realize multi-stage continuous degassing. It enlarges the contact area and time between the bubble and liquid aluminum, and thus improves the degassing efficiency.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.